Hello, my dear YouTube friends. Today, I want to take you to an industrial visit through this video. In our I Create Degree College, as a part of our project, we visited an industry where bike engine gods are manufactured. In this industry, we observe different machines and processes used to make metal products. So these are the handles used in the manufacturing process of a bike, as you can see in the video. And even our students are really enjoying to see all these products. These are the final products manufactured after the metal pipes are heated in a heating room or a furnace so that they become soft and easy to shape. And even to do this, it requires a lot of hard work and dedication. You can see all these iron rods are measured firstly and they're cut into required measurement. And the work is done very manually. So you can see all the rods in the video. So many rods are there in the room there. And all the people are really working hard. Women are there and men are also there. So mostly I can see there a lot of women are working. And you can see this is the bending machine. And this bending machine is used to form the shape of the engine god. And then holes are made using drilling machine. You can see here these are the metal rods which can be used for multi purposes. Even these rods are made using these machines. And these can be used for multi purposes, like we can use it for making cord. And you can see this is the rod used for measurement sample rod. They put it as a sample rod. And these are all the iron rods which are turned as engine gods. So interesting, right? So we are literally learning a lot of things by observing all these things. Even this bending machine is used to manufacture these mounting plates, which are really helpful to carry the weight of the engine in a bike. It's quite interesting for me to see all these things. So you can see all the mounting plates which are already manufactured, and even they drilled all the plates, and it acts as a grip to the engine in a bike. So you can see how much hard work is happening. And these people, these are very funny guys. They are literally enjoying, and they are creating some fun, as you can see in the video. Very funny and crazy. So if really learning takes as an entertainment, it's really interesting and it's quite enjoyable. All the students are really enjoying. It's very common fact, ARC welding is really helpful to join the metal products. And you can see here ARC welding is happening, and their eyes have to work very much, and even it disturbs the eyesight if we can see directly. And these are all the manufactured products which you can see here in the video. Very interesting, right? Here in this video, you can observe how ARC welding is very much happening in a close way. You can observe. It's eye-catching to watch it. This is dry powder container where they put all the powder, black powder into it, and they provide some heat to it, and they use it to paint or to powder coating to the metal, which gives it a very smooth finish and protects it from rust. You can see how she is doing the powder coating to the metal. So it's quite interesting to watch it. And even I also tried to do it. And it's really very much heavyweight. And I tried to do it. And it was quite a very good experience for me to do it. I really enjoyed doing it. But every day to do the same work, it is very difficult because it really takes a lot of manual work. And we saw a lot of women are very much hardworking. And see how I'm doing it. I'm literally enjoying. I'm smiling. I'm enjoying to coat the metal. It's very interesting for me. And even these women are using all these bowls to fix the plates, metal plates, and these are all very much interesting. Mounting plates, these are the mounting plates I already explained you. and we are fixing it with a bolt which can really act to face the engine in the bike very strongly. And even I tried to do it, but it's a difficult task. And what I surprisingly feel is, all the work is happening very manually. So I tried to put the bolt, and the worker is helping me to do that. And each and every aspect of the work I really enjoyed. You can observe she is explaining how the engine in the bike is placed. Even they manufacture number plates. I was telling to my students to observe the number plates and all the products very clearly, and I was telling them to observe how much hard work is happening there, and almost all the women are very much working hard, and they create a lot of fun riding the bike, and they don't know how much work is happening before manufacturing all these things. I was telling them in a very smiley way to observe what's happening. This woman told me how they are getting orders. So they are getting lot of orders from very well reputed bike companies like Honda and TVS, Bajaj. She told a lot of companies are giving them orders, and they are running lakhs of profit business. To see it is very small, but they are getting lot of profits from all these products. Finally, these are the manufactured products, and even you can observe the covering of these metal products, right? Even this covering, they are doing it manually. Almost women are working. So, these women workers, when I talked to them, they felt very happy, innocent faces. They have to work from 9 to 6 o'clock, from morning 9 to 6 o'clock, and they're paid around 9,500 rupees per month. This shows for the small salary how much dedicated they are. They told sometimes they even have to carry heavy metals. So you can see here, this is the heating furnace. All the products can be after coating, they keep there into this room, and they provide a lot of heat to that. So this is all the manufacturing process of these metals. You can see how his appearance is. This shows how much hardworking they are. So just for a small salary, they have to work this much. So I really enjoyed visiting there. I really want to thank these women who helped me a lot to explain their work, and they're so happy to get this identity. So there are a lot of women who do household chores and at the same time in the industrial works. So we have to really identify these kind of people's hard work. So thank you so much, women. Thank you so much. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel and comment about your opinions and how did you enjoy this video. Thank you.